So I purchased this clipless body for the Pheonix from Kevin at Fine Laser Designs, I believe is his name. He sent the one I ordered, and he also sent this V2. He hasn't released it yet to the public, but instead of using ones that would clip down and around the fuel, he has this one, and you can see how it attaches. You take out those two pieces, shipping whatever, and you just take your finger and slide it back like that. The cage lifts up, put the cage down, and then push up, and it's there. So if y'all are interested in it, a lot easier than the body pins. Thanks for watching.